Hi guys, I first want to start this video off by letting you know that this is a collaboration with my girl Tangie Webb over at Home Decor, DIY and more. Guys, we will be collaborating together to share with you our end of summer home tour. Guys, want to let you know that Tangie's channel is all about home decor. She also gives you some DIYs, cleaning motivation, and shopping hauls. Guys, Tangie's channel is fun and exciting. Her home is beautiful and her home decor style is amazing. You are sure to be pleased with the content over there. So head on over to her channel, guys, and get ready to be inspired and motivated. Also, guys, go ahead and subscribe to her channel and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified each time she uploads a new video. Guys, so right after you watch my end of summer home tour, head on over to Tangie's channel and watch her end of summer home tour as well. Hey, so I want to say thank y'all so much for always stopping by and tuning in. To my subscribers, thank you so very much. I really appreciate you guys. If you have newly subscribed, just let me take the time to say thank you. Thank you, thank you. If you are watching but you have not yet subscribed, I would gladly appreciate it if you just go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of the family too. Thank you guys so much. So guys, you are currently looking at the first style of my living room for the summer, and I actually did two styles in here, so following this you will see the second style. And then right after the living room, we will go directly into the kitchen where you will be able to view my summer kitchen. And then we will go into my bedroom. Also in my bedroom, you'll be able to see two different styles I did in there for the summer as well. And then we will do the tour in my bath. From my bath, we will go into my sitting room / office, which is located inside of my bedroom as well. And last but not least, I'll take you on the tour into the guest bedroom. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this end of summer home tour. And I want to once again thank y'all so much for watching. And after you watch this video, guys, please be sure to head over to Tangie's channel. I will leave a link in my description box below, and it'll take you right to that end of summer video. Thank you guys once again. Stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.
The way that I'm feeling when I'm with you, you are weighing me down. Can't help the rhythm is making me no good. I just don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Or would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need, yeah. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Ay, can't have the rhythm is making me no good. And I don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Oh, would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need. One mistake, till we break. One more night, feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us nothing moves forward, it just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, I'll be thinking this through. If we're not meant to be and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition, but worthy of claim. With us nothing moves forward, it just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we would be together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? If we know meant to be and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? Are we thinking this through? We know meant to be. If you're not in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just go find some courage. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. Oh, I got to know. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Have we changed so damn much? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about me. I've been thinking this through. If we know meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and go find. Say it to my face. If you think about me, I'll be thinking this through. Thinking that if we know meant to be, and we're thinking in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Without a trace. Find some courage and find some courage. Say it to my face. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much?